Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the head-turning Rikuo VLE motorbike. This electric machine has been generating a lot of buzz lately, so I snagged one for a test ride and I'm here to share my experience with you. Key features: performance. Let's jump right into the nitty-gritty. The Rikuo VLE boasts a cutting-edge electric motor that produces some serious power. We're talking about instant torque, which means the bike accelerates like a cheetah on steroids. Now, for all the tech enthusiasts out there, the VLE comes equipped with a state-of-the-art lithium-ion battery that offers impressive range. Rikuo claims, insert claimed range, on a single charge, which is more than enough for most city commutes and weekend getaways. And if you're worried about recharge times, the VLE features a quick charge option that gets you back on the road in no time. Design uniqueness. But the VLE isn't just about performance. The design team has really outdone themselves here. This bike has a sleek, futuristic aesthetic that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. The lightweight frame makes for superb handling, and the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride, even on longer journeys. One of the things that really sets the VLE apart is its focus on rider safety. It comes packed with features like a regenerative braking system that helps recharge the battery while you slow down, and a multi-function instrument cluster that keeps you informed about everything from your speed to battery level. Layman's explanation: target audience. Now, I know electric vehicles might seem intimidating to some folks, but the beauty of the VLE is its user-friendliness. It's perfect for anyone looking for a fun, eco-conscious way to get around. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, the VLE offers a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. Conclusion. So, if you're in the market for an electric motorbike that's equal parts powerful, stylish, and safe, then the Rikuo VLE definitely deserves a spot on your short list. It's a fantastic option for anyone who wants to experience the thrill of electric riding without compromising on performance or comfort. Call to action. Head down to the comments below and let me know what you think about the Rikuo VLE. And if you've had a chance to ride one yourself, share your experience.